Joe Wilson came out immediately and apologized profusely, okay, as he should have, of course. So let's go to that apology. Let's go to clip number 9.
Last night, I heard from the leadership that they wanted me to contact the White House and state that my statements were inappropriate. I did. I'm very grateful that the White House, in talking with them, they indicated that they appreciated the call and that we needed to have a civil discussion about the healthcare issues, and I certainly agree with that. And so I'm happy to discuss the healthcare issues, and in particular on the issue, which I think is very important, of whether the bills cover would include illegal aliens or not. Also, the Congressional Resource Services has indicated that indeed the bills that are before Congress would include illegal aliens. And I think this is wrong. We need to be discussing issues specifically to help the American people. And that would not include illegal aliens. These are people, I'm for immigration, legal immigration. I've been an immigration attorney. But people who have come to our country and violated laws, we should not be providing full health care services. It was spontaneous. It was when he stated, as he did, about not covering illegal aliens, when I knew we had those 2 amendments. And I say that respectfully, and we need to discuss the issues, and I'm happy to do that.
I'll tell you, the part that I enjoyed is that he looked a little scared and nervous. He was like, sorry, I didn't quite mean it. Okay, so that was nice. But you know what he did there, very ironically? He didn't back down from his actual statement. He still thinks that the president is lying, that they really are going to cover illegal immigrants in the bill. And so the ironic thing is he's actually lying about that. So I wish I was there at the press conference. I'd have yelled out to Joe Wilson, "You lie!" So PolitiFact, which is a nonpartisan organization that checks the factual nature of these statements, went ahead and read the entire bill, read the pages of the bill that conservatives have been pointing to, saying, look, it covers illegal immigrants, and their conclusion is that Joe Wilson's statement is inaccurate. It is false, flat out false. Okay, it's a very strong statement on that. Now, why? I'll break it down for you real quick. Number one, is there anything in the bill that says, yes, illegal immigrants will be covered or by this in a way that they were not covered before, or that changes the status quo or changes the law? Absolutely not. The only mention of illegal immigrants in the bill is a passage in page 132, section 242, that excludes illegal immigrants from being able to get tax credits that other Americans can for insurance. So the only mention at all of illegal immigrants is to say they cannot take part in the tax credits. Now, PolitiFact, again, goes out of its way to be fair to both sides, as they should. And they say, all right, look, even though it doesn't mention it at all, and it doesn't change the status quo, and if anything, it excludes it, well, let's go a step further. Could illegal immigrants still be covered because the status quo currently covers them? And the answer to that is yes. So, for example, in 2 different ways. So, for example, if you're an illegal immigrant and you got shot or you had a heart attack for whatever reason, and you go to the emergency room, they'll treat you. Because why? Because we're human beings and we're Americans and we don't let people die, right? So now conservatives might want to argue against that, but I'll have that argument any day. So should the bill actively say, hey, if an illegal immigrant shows up at a hospital with a head wound, don't treat him? No, come on, that's outrageous, right? So that's nothing. And the only other way that you can make an argument is they say it doesn't specifically exclude illegal immigrants from taking part in the public option, right? So now let's break that down. Right now in the system, illegal immigrants can buy health insurance. They can buy private insurance. They can buy it from Aetna. They can buy it from Blue Cross, Blue Shield. Nobody ever asks them, hey, are you a citizen or are you not a citizen, right? Now, in the bill, since they don't exclude illegal immigrants and they don't mention illegal immigrants, I don't know, they probably never even thought of it, to be honest with you. Can they either buy Blue Cross, Blue Shield, Aetna, or the government-run option? As it's currently stated, yeah, they could. But do you really want to say, oh, no, anyone who's buying insurance, whether it's public insurance or private insurance, we have to do a citizenship check on them? No, that's extra bureaucracy. And honestly, why do I even care? I don't think the illegal immigrants obviously should be here, but why do I care if they have health insurance or they don't? I don't see why I would care. But if you're trying to make an argument that this bill all of a sudden gives some sort of advantages or changes the law in any way to cover illegal immigrants, to just give them insurance paid for by the American taxpayer, that is only 1,000,000% wrong. It's just not the case at all. So my main problem with Joe Wilson isn't that he blurted something out. It's that what he blurted out was ironically a lie. And that's a lie that they've been pushing for a long, long time.